Hi everybody and welcome back. For today's video we are going to make this delicious mutton with stew or gravy. I made use of freshly cut mutton pieces, 2 oxtail stock cubes and 1 freshly cut onion. I started by crushing the stock cubes into a mug so that they can dissolve easier and quicker, and then I added boiling water and I gave that a nice and strong sturdy mix up until all of those pieces were fully dissolved. I added my meat into a heated pot. You can use any red meat of your choice. So over here we are not doing any frying, but the meat will be browned and flavored throughout the process. And then I add my stock cube mix into the pot and I give the pot a little bit of a shake just before I close it for about 2 minutes. This is so that I can give it time to start boiling and to start having a bit of a fry effect. So over here the meat has started frying and started boiling, and then I go on and add my freshly chopped onion and give all of that a mix. I then add boiled water to this. I add enough water so that it fully covers the meat. Close for now. About 35 minutes later, I just wanted to show you guys how it's going. I did add some water off camera, and then I'm just going to continue cooking this so that we can wrap it up. So this is about 40 minutes later. The meat is literally ready. It's fully cooked, it's fully flavored. You can see that it was browned throughout the entire process, and I'm actually so happy at this point. So now it depends on the type of gravy that you want, on how much longer you're going to cook or add water to this. So over here I just poke at the meat a little bit so that I can show you guys how tender and juicy and soft this meat actually was. So from this point onwards, I just wanted to show you guys the consistency of the gravy and how there's literally no trace of onion whatsoever. I was super happy with this consistency, literally the best. This goes very well with steamed bread or pap, but of course you can have it with anything you want. So we have come to the end of the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, for staying tuned in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Until next time, bye!